Hi, my name is Saad Usmani. I'm the Director of Plasma Cell Disorders at the Levine Cancer Institute in Charlotte, North Carolina. I'm here at the ASH 2015 meeting in Orlando, Florida, and I'm going to be discussing my presentation titled Clinical Efficacy of Daratumumab Monotherapy for Relapsed Refractory Multiple Myeloma. This is a combined analysis of Daratumumab, which is a monoclonal antibody targeting CD38 cells on multiple myeloma cells. The combined data sets are from two clinical trials, the GEN 501 phase 1-2 trial and the Sirius phase 2 randomized trial. The data from these trials led to the FDA approval of Daratumumab on November 16, 2015. A total of 148 patients were included for this analysis. All of the patients were treated at the FDA approved dose of 16 milligram per kilogram dosing. The overall response rate for these relapsed refractory patients who had 5 median prior lines of therapy, vast majority were relapsed refractory to both proteasome inhibitors and immunomodulatory drugs. 39% were refractory to carfilzomib and 55% were refractory to pomalidomide. The response rate was 31%, and there were some really deep responses such as stringent CRs and CRs that were also observed. The overall survival for the whole population was 19.9 months. The overall survival for the responders has not been reached. What was unique about this combined analysis was the patients who had minimal response or stable disease, even though their median PFS was 3.4 months, their overall survival was 17.5 months, thereby perhaps suggesting that Daratumumab may be immunomodulatory, have immunomodulatory mechanisms by which it may influence the effects of the next line of therapy that these patients may also have. One of the other key elements I highlighted in the presentation was the immunomodulatory effects of Daratumumab, where it downregulates the Tregs, the Bregs, and the MDSCs and leads to a clonal expansion of CD8 positive T cells, which we believe may be directly influencing the outcome in patients by myeloma cell kill. In conclusion, we find that Daratumumab has significant overall response rate at 31%. So its efficacy in this relapsed refractory patient is quite profound. It is the first biologic monoclonal antibody to be FDA approved, having single agent activity. We did not find any new safety signals in this combined data analysis. There were infusion-related reactions that were grade 1 and 2 that occurred in less than half of the patients, and vast majority of those infusion-related reactions were with the first infusion, were managed with standard care measures, and did not usually occur the second or third time around. So more like once and it's done.